Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Deciding what to do with your old 401k after leaving a job can feel a bit overwhelming, right? A 401k rollover, simply put, is moving your retirement savings from an old employer's plan into a new one, or perhaps into an individual retirement account. It's a very common step many people take, helping them consolidate their retirement savings and potentially gain much more control. Understanding this option is really important for your financial future. There are some great reasons to consider rolling over your old 401k. For starters, an IRA or even a new employer's 401k might offer a wider variety of investment choices, giving you more flexibility. You could also potentially find lower fees compared to your previous plan, which can save you a lot of money over time. Plus, it simplifies your financial life by keeping all your retirement funds in one place. When considering a 401k rollover, you typically have a few main options. You can roll it into your new employer's 401k if they allow it, keeping your funds within a company plan. Another popular choice is moving it into a traditional IRA, which often offers a broad range of investment possibilities. Alternatively, if you anticipate a higher future tax bracket, a Roth IRA conversion might be worth exploring, though it carries immediate tax implications. While rollovers offer many benefits, there are important factors to consider before making a move. Pay close attention to potential fees, both from your old plan and any new accounts, as these can impact your long-term growth. Also, understand the tax implications. A direct rollover avoids immediate taxes, but converting to a Roth IRA will trigger a taxable event. Remember, your investment options will change, so make sure they align with your financial goals. Ultimately, whether a 401k rollover is right for you depends on your individual financial situation and future goals. Take some time to compare your current plans, features, fees, and investment options with what's available elsewhere. Because this decision has significant long-term effects on your retirement savings, consulting a qualified financial advisor is often highly recommended. They can help you navigate the complexities and make the best choice for your unique circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.